How to change payment method on Amazon. If you want to change your payment method on Amazon, simply open up your browser and then just go to amazon.com from your browser and log into your account. Then tap on your profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, and here under your account you can find the option that says see all. So just make sure to tap the see all button. Now, when you've done that, you have to just scroll down, and under payment, you'll find an option that says your payments. So go to the your payment option that you can find over there. Then over here, you'll find different payment methods that you've added. So if you want to add another payment method, you can tap on add a payment method. Go about adding your credit, debit card, checking account, ABT card, or FSA or HSA card. Once you've added a new payment method, you can come back and you can delete the older card if you want to. And that's how you change your payment method on Amazon. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.